My name is Nicholas Relo. I'm a retired carpenter from Local 253. I'm also an East Hanover resident, lifelong resident. The mayor said it the best. PLAs are inclusive. There's a cap on it. It doesn't affect jobs that are under $5 million. What you get from a PLA, from my brothers and sisters here in the union trade, is what you had on your sign on Route 10. Pride in Parsippany on Route 46. This is pride in what we do. We're proud to be tradesmen. We work under a concerted labor agreement. We bring our projects in on time and under budget. And you will never, ever regret signing this PLA. Thank you very much.